Ooh, red.
I think it's a Series 5. Oh, what the heck?
Yo.
Newer door track.
Yo, I like this cab.
What the heck is this? That's a newer door track. That's what you see on like newer Series 2.
There's the plate.
Hold on, I want a closer look. That's all newer equipment. This is newer equipment. Why does it have the older fixtures?
G?
Yeah. One undone 4. Permits under here. Cab view. Basic but nice.
Yeah, I enjoy this cab. And this indicator. I can't get over this indicator. It's really nice.
I don't know why it has the older indicator. Should we switch elevators?
Yep.